Neighbourhood Wine is an independent wine company which imports its products from small wineries in Europe. The changes to the legislation will have a huge impact on them.
We bring in wine from really small artisan producers. A lot of these guys, they just don't want warning labels on their wines. Aesthetically, they don't like it, but culturally, they're against it. They disagree fundamentally with what is being said on these warning labels.
New regulations have been signed into law, meaning all alcohol products will have to have health labels. They will warn about the risk of drinking while pregnant, the link between alcohol and liver disease and fatal cancers, the calorie content and the grams of alcohol in the product.
People's level of knowledge, for example, about the alcohol cancer risk is very low. Only about 21% of the population actually would correctly identify that there is a link between alcohol cancer, and yet 1,000 people every year will get a diagnosis of cancer that actually is related to alcohol.
The changes won't come into effect until 2026 to give companies time to prepare.
We think as the last line before the customer, we may be tasked with putting the stickers onto the bottles, which means that with the amount of wine that we go through, we sell thousands and thousands of bottles across a year, and having to put a sticker on, we have to hire somebody to do that.
The aim is to educate people about the health risks associated with alcohol, but those in the business say it's a disaster. We were the first country to introduce the smoking ban nearly 20 years ago, with many other countries following our lead. Minister Donnelly saying today he hopes other countries will follow us in relation to this also, introducing health warnings on their alcoholic products. Aisling Ni Choisdealbha, Virgin Media News.